To begin, create a folder for this project on OneDrive and then download the support files. Inside the support files, you'll want to sort by type, and the first thing that you want to look at is the practice task. The layout of your assessment will be similar to the document that you see. It begins with some guidance information, and it reminds you to have a look at the README file and also the support files. We'll be using the task document throughout the process because it provides us with a really useful step-by-step list of what we need to do to successfully achieve this standard. Our next step is to take a look at the README file. To help with my planning, I've highlighted some of the key bits. For example, I've highlighted that the topic is classical musical instruments. The audience is high school students. The purpose is to show students a range of musical instruments and give them key facts about each instrument. Then I've gone down and I have highlighted the key specifications. So we need between 6 and 14 slides, including a title slide, slides with the text and images, a link to the audience form, and a credit slide. Of course, the slides need to be in logical order. Our text needs to be readable and accurate. Our slideshow needs to feature sound and slide transition effects, and there needs to be consistency between the slides. Our images need to retain their integrity and not be distorted. The presentation will be operated manually, so we won't need to use automatic timings. And once the presentation has been viewed, we'll be asking our audience to complete a participation form, which will let us prove that our presentation has been successfully presented. In the assessment, you'll want to highlight the key information so that you can use it to fill in part of the evidence template. You will want to keep this evidence template in a safe place because some parts are recyclable, and it's a useful reminder of the process that you're going to need to follow in the assessment. To begin, you'll want to put your name and NSN on the first slide, and you can go ahead and sign the own work declaration, knowing that this first slide is recyclable. I've gone ahead and filled in the first part of our planning based on the README. So I've got the topic, which of course will be different in the assessment, and the purpose, which will be slightly different, but almost certainly we're going to use the same structure to show students something. Our method of delivery, target audience, and computer application will be the same. Here are the specifications for our project. The specifications in the assessment may well be extremely similar, although you'll want to carefully have a look at the README file to make sure that what you're writing for the specifications matches your project. As this video is getting along, we're going to continue planning in the next video.